What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today our topic is PlayStation 5 errors, and error is NW-102633-5. An error has occurred while connected to the PlayStation Network. I'm just going to show you how to fix this error, and I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. And look at that. Here we go to the settings, and then you must check the user accounts. There is your PSN account is logged in or not. Sometimes your PSN account is not logged in, and then the login settings also you must check your PSN account. Here, look at that. Here is the sign-in ID. You just check it, and then you go to the network, or here is the network, and then view PlayStation Network services. You must check the server. Sometimes server is down, so when you're working on the updates. And look at that, here is all is green, then it's mean your server is working up and good. If the server is not working, you get the red option, and then you just go to the settings, advanced settings, frequency settings. You just forget it and connect it again. Here you just DNS settings, set it manually, and change the codes of DNS primary, secondary, and M2 setting 1500 is okay. And you can use a LAN cable, then the Wi-Fi directly connected from the router to PlayStation 4, also good for you. So simply that's how you can fix this kind of error, and I hope you found my video helpful for you. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one, for the next topic.